In item 12, I beg to appear on behalf of the respondent, my lord, university.
Yes.
Commented.
Hmm.
My lord, I have a maintainability point.
I'll that. I'll satisfy that one. Let's satisfy the maintainability point first. And it has been decided by the maintainability.
My lord, I have yet not submitted about the maintainability point.
You are saying you are told that I have a maintainability point. Now you are again saying I have never said. Earlier also you said it is not maintainable. Let us clear this point first.
Then, my lord, may I
this
submit?
point is already decided in.
No, where is your affidavit where you raise this maintainability point?
Another Bangladeshi Robila, this mental board has been decided by the Supreme Court. Chairman Railway Board versus Chondimala.
No. Let us see where he has raised the maintainability point.
My lord.
You please show.
My lord, kindly.
You are appearing for which respondent?
My lord, I am appearing for respondent number 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
When there is no proper vice chancellor also.
And all these questions, my lord, these are not related. So, vice chancellor appointment, etc. We have already.
Just told
No. This is an affidavit in opposition filed to the writ petition and the supplementary affidavit.
My lord.
And where is the maintainability point?
My lord.
I have not been favored with a copy of the supplementary affidavit. Long ago, it was directed to me, sir, but I have not got a copy of it.
স্যার আমাদের কাছে দিয়েছে কিন্তু আমার কাছে এক্সট্রা কপি নেই স্যার My lord, the maintainability point I have raised in paragraph 1 to 6. Let me, my lord, submit in my nutshell only.
Now, you have filed any opposition to this?
No, my lord, because this point he raised has been dealt with by the Honorable Apex Court. Let me place that judgment first.
No, that is correct, sir. He has put something on record. And his affidavit in opposition runs to 20 pages. Would you like to put something on record in the form of a reply?
No, because, my lord, one thing I just told.
He has made certain factual allegations.
My lord,
something and all is said about the Vice Chancellor, internal complaint committee, this, that, etc. Commission of Women. If you want, you file an affidavit.
One thing, because this matter is pending. Why I am? This is a third semester, right? This is a third semester. If it goes on for the last, because they are
candidate is not here, sir. This is a public.
No, candidate was sent back to Bangladesh.
No.
Yes,
his visa expired.
No.
His visa expired, my lord.
I saw it has not been expired. Then you write it down.
Yes, I have documents. I have the copy of his visa, my lord. My lord.
After sending back, visa was expired.
No. Yes, no. My lord, what happened?
My lord,
during the puja vacation, my lord. During the puja vacation.
My lord, please. I am the petitioner. Let me place my case.
I have the copy of his visa.
No, my lord.
The earlier visa I have.
No. When visa expired?
31st October 2023.
When she was sent back?
He was not sent back. He returned to Bangladesh because, my lord, during the puja vacation, the university was closed.
Escorted him to border.
No, my lord. My lord, kindly say there is no document.
Now say 31st October visa expired. He just told.
Yes,
my lord. Sent back. If that is yes,
there is no use of shouting. There are all documents. His visa is there.
I don't need to say. I'll show that.
His visa is there.
For this,
my lord, let me submit for one moment. For 1 minute. The girl. There are other points I am not. The girl came to Kazi Nazrul University as a.
My lord, latest mail sent.
There was. There was.
The latest mail sent to the girl by the registrar. You know. My lord, kindly see. My lord, kindly see. This is the bona fide certificate sent by the registrar to the Bangladesh UPA.
No, the petitioner, he or she is in touch with the student.
My lord, petitioner is over telephone. Just my lord.
So therefore, please ask the petitioner, I mean the student, the SOL student, to file an affidavit, get it notarized in Bangladesh, and send it to your client. You produce.
Yes, my lord.
Because this is an individual right. If, according to the writ petitioner, she has been wronged or put to some problem, so it is better you have a supporting affidavit.
Well, one thing, just one thing. I'm sorry for interruption. Similar incident happened in this court, went to Supreme Court. Same. What required? Go through and after decide it.
Because they have raised.
Can you go through the paragraph?
Can you give me a copy?
This is the I don't need. This is the.
Give me a citation.
My lord, 2000, volume 2, SCC, page 465. While after concerning foreign and Indian, kindly come to paragraph 15 first.
2000.
2000, volume 2, SCC. 465. While kindly come to paper.
1000.
Paragraph 15 first. The existence of legal right, no doubt, is the foundation for a petition under Article 226, and the bare interest may be a minimum nature and may give locus standi to a person to file a writ petition, but the concept of locus standi has undergone a sea change as well as presently noted. In such and such, it was held that the foundation for exercise jurisdiction under Article 32 of Article 226 is ordinarily the personal or individual right of a petitioner himself. In writs like habeas corpus, quorum, the rule has been relaxed or modified. In SP Gupta's and such, law relating to locus standi was explained so as to give a wider meaning to the phrase. This court laid down such and such. Practicing lawyer have undoubtedly a vital interest in the independence of the judiciary. They would certainly be interested in challenge the validity of the constitutionality of an action taken by the state or public authority which has been prefect of the impaired judgment. It was further observed the lawyer's profession was an essential and integral part of the judicial system. They could figuratively be described as a priest in the temple of justice. They have therefore a special interest in preserving the integrity and independence of the judicial system. They are equal partisan with the judge in the administration of justice. The lawyers, either in their individual capacity or as representing some lawyers association, have to have the locus standi to challenge the circular letter dated such and such. In the context of public interest litigation, however, the court in its various judgment has given the widest amplitude and meaning to the concept of locus standi. In people such and such, it was laid down the public interest litigation could initiate not only by filing for formal petition in the High Court, but even sending them telegram or as well provide the access to the court, such and such. On the right of the approval, kind of para 18. Having regard to the nature of the petition filed by the respondent, Mr. Chondiwada, and the relief claim, it cannot be doubted that the petition was filed in the public interest and could legally be filed by the respondent. And the argument that she could not file the petition as there was nothing personal involved in the present must be rejected. Mala kindly part 22 onward. Next, another judgment I will show. Well, identical point raised. Kindly come to class 20.
No, even a non-citizen may be entitled to the constitutional rights because in this case, the offense took place when the Bangladeshi national was within the territory of India. The facts are not in dispute in this case. If you see para 3, the respondent railways and the Union of India have admitted amongst the main accused who are employees of railways, prosecution was in accordance, they are perpetrators of human crime committed a hapless victim. And it is not in dispute. Here, according to the stand taken by the respondents 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, the visa of the concerned candidate had expired and she has gone back to Bangladesh. Let me come. So here, this particular petitioner says, claims to be a public interest litigant, is trying to enforce certain personal rights of the person who's not in the country now. This incident occurred, this judgment incident occurred when the foreign national was in India and she was rescued by the Jorabagan police. That's the facts of the case. Therefore, when the public interest litigant is canvassing a case, and if the person is away from India, can he not support an affidavit?
Well, I got your point, my lord. Well, I got your point. The point is here. I got your point. I'm just
and then
I got the point. My point is that my point is that why when I filed this petition, can you see the date or when she went back to Bangladesh? Point number 1.
Suppose
I got it.
No, she sends a mail or
another. She can. But point is here the university authority to just help the rape accused, just to help the rape.
Wrong objection.
On record, I'll say. Also on record. Please, on record, I'll show. On record, I'll show. May I kindly come to. She is Bangladesh. I don't need to show any. It is a fact. A rape case has been filed.
No.
Why you say? But my lord,
there are 2 criminal cases. One 498. My lord, I am no one to say whether rape has committed or not.
My lord,
there are, my lord, 2 criminal cases in which the girl, in her own handwriting, he submitted before the police that they were husband and wife and was in a love affair. After that, the accusation of rape comes. Now, what the university should do? Let me speak, sir. Let me speak, please. After that, the ICC was constituted. The ICC submitted a report. Now the accused person, he challenges the ICC report before the writ court. My Lord Justice Kaushik Chandra first grants him an interim relief, subject to the condition that he also filed an appeal before the university authority as per the UGC circular. Now, in the next hearing, he comes and he says that I have withdrawn my appeal. Now, please hear out the writ petition. My Lord Justice has already taken a view in another case that this UGC circular will not prevail upon the Act. The Act is binding. The appellate authority is actually the Labour Commissioner. So he has granted a limited time of interim protection and granted him liberty that you go before the Labour Commissioner and file an appeal if you get so advised. He files an appeal before the Labour Commissioner. The Labour Commissioner grants an interim protection to the accused. The university was served. The university takes a very fair stand. The university says before the Labour Commissioner, university first supplies the Labour Commissioner the details of the victim girl as per the acquisition, the details of the victim girl that she is not in India, but as per our record, this is her residential address, and we feel that she should be heard. This is we taken in record. Then the Labour Commissioner, his office makes a communication with the girl. The girl had sent some communication in the just the last hearing. I was not present. My colleague was present. The girl had sent some communication to the Labour Commissioner. The interim protection which was granted to the accused, this is still in vogue. The proceeding is pending. And I have heard that, in fact, the Labour Commissioner office is thinking to file an application before the High Court that they are not in a position to dispose of such type of huge number of appeals. So let some arrangement. That is what. This is the position, the legal position we have taken. This is the action we have. Apart from that, we have arranged for her counseling. The registrar has written and arranged 24/7 police protection for the girl. A lady constable was accompanying her. Whenever she travels somewhere in Calcutta, whenever she travels to some doctor, whenever she travels to some mental counselor, we arrange the car, we pay the fees of the treatment, etc. These are all the records we have submitted. And then the puja vacation comes. The visa, it was going to be expired on 31st October. During the puja vacation, my lord knows, and everyone all this court knows, that during the puja vacation, university hostels are closed. The girl goes back to Bangladesh. Now, this is also in October. Now, if she wants to come back to India, she needs a renewal of visa. For that renewal of visa, a bona fide certificate, I am being very honest, that bone of contention of my learned friend is that for this renewal of visa, a certificate is needed from the end of the university. The university issues a bona fide certificate. But what happens in between? The girl takes part in political activity in India. These records are there, my lord. I have supplied the photos and videos are with me. The girl takes part in political activities. Now, my lord, when this girl, she first lodged her complaint, my learned friend, she was the legal advisor of the university. She was the legal retainer of the university. That vice chancellor has gone. The university has no permanent legal retainer. We, in some matters, appear for the university. Yes.
Why you are
Now, my lord, the registrar, while issuing the bona fide certificate, the registrar makes two observations. First, there are dues, tuition fees dues, because the deputy registrar, she has written to her parents that there are fees dues of your girl. No positive response, the registrar mentions. The registrar also mentions that the foreign national has, because my lord, this is a condition of visa to any foreign national, that the foreign national. Yes, I am speaking.
Both of you, one second.
My lord,
No.
the register mentions regarding this political activity.
Before the Labour Commissioner,
Hmm.
is she now contesting the matter?
My lord, she has yet not appeared. She has sent some application to the Labour Commissioner. The application, my lord,
So
I am here to go.
therefore, so there is a 498A case.
No, my lord.
And there is also a rape case.
But please, my lord, please let's see the document. After that, I'll talk.
No. If she is contesting herself in the proceedings which is filed by the concerned professor or registrar, whoever it is, then you don't require a public interest litigant. So
No,
therefore,
why? Because this.
no, you give the address of that lady, we will issue notice.
My
to-
lord, one
Let her appear.
let me submit that.
Let- She can appear online also. She can
My
appear.
lord, kindly, let me see.
And my lord,
No,
also
please,
kindly see the prayers, what she is trying to do. Why I am trying to object the maintainability? Because this is an unfortunate incident. In cashing this unfortunate incident, some people are trying to catch fish in troubled water. Who is this petitioner? Who is this?
Please, let me hear, my lord.
Who is
You have heard the learned advocates for the parties. This is a public interest litigation stated to have been filed to vindicate the cause of a Bangladeshi national. However, the prayer sought for is to initiate disciplinary and criminal action against the deputy registrar / superintendent of the girls' hostel of the university, among other reliefs. It is not in dispute that that two criminal complaints were lodged by the Bangladeshi national, who is alleged to be the victim girl. And one of the complaints is said to be under section 498 capital A of IPC.
I have the copy, my lord. So if I use, I have been dropped.
And subsequently, there is an allegation of rape. In this regard, two FIRs have
rape section has also been added by the police.
in this regard, two FIRs have been registered, and it is submitted by the learned advocate for the private respondent that one of the FIRs has been dropped.
No, my lord, that is wrong, my lord.
Which
my-
submission is strenuously objected to by the learned advocate for the petitioner. Be that as it may, the university appears to have initiated proceedings before the internal complaints committee, which has recorded a finding, which appears to be against the appears to be adverse to the private respondent, namely, who's your client? What is his name? Which is against the respondent number 13. As against the said finding, respondent number 13 had filed a writ petition, and it appears that there was a interim order in the said writ petition for a limited period, and subsequently, liberty was granted to the 13th respondent to file an appeal before the Labour Commissioner, which he has done, and it is submitted that the Labour Commissioner has also granted an interim protection to the 13th respondent. It is submitted by the learned advocate for the university that the alleged victim girl has sent certain communication to the Labour Commissioner, which would indicate that she is contesting the proceedings by staying in Bangladesh. The university also takes a stand that the alleged victim girl.
My lord, this person is my lord, she sent a mail that I am in Bangladesh, so that is why I can't, because she was given notice and she wrote back that I cannot participate as I am stranded in Bangladesh. That doesn't mean that she participated in the
Return to Bangladesh as her visa had expired.
No, but that is also not correct.
This allegation is vehemently denied by the learned advocate for the petitioner. Thus, it is seen that the whereabouts of the alleged victim girl is known, and she is very much available in Bangladesh. Therefore, for the petitioner to pursue a cause on behalf of her as a public interest litigant may result in certain other consequences, since the allegation pertains to something very personal to that of the alleged victim girl, more particularly that she is in the know of affairs and she is also aware about the appeal proceedings initiated by the 13th respondent before the Labour Commissioner. Therefore, to ensure that the alleged victim girl is also aware of the present proceedings, we direct the petitioner to file an affidavit disclosing the name and full postal address of the alleged victim girl, who we intend to implead as a party in the writ petition and issue notice.
Kindly see, address is there. In the supplementary affidavit, rape case charge has been sent to the Bangladesh. Kindly see address. Kindly see supplementary affidavit. Kindly
After we
see.
have passed this order, the learned advocate for the writ petition
Kindly see supplementary affidavit.
page
My lord, annexure P4, page 4. Page 7. It will completely unmark the university.
and
Under section
it is submitted
376
that
IPC.
the address is available in the
My lord, notice by the police under section
in a
376.
notice drawn by the officer in charge, Durgapur within bracket W, Women Police Station. The address, the name and address of the alleged victim girl is as follows.
My lord, kindly also see next annexure. then completely my lord will come to know. Next annexure. She was the accused was allowed to join university, though there was no order by the court.
Okay. Don't quote this. We direct the registry to issue notice to the alleged victim girl
Yes, my lord.
whose name and address is available in annexure P4 to the supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioner, indicating that this public interest litigant has been filed seeking to expose her cause. On receipt of the notice, liberty is granted to the alleged victim girl to participate in the proceedings through video conferencing, and also to file an affidavit to the registry of this court, duly notarized at Bangladesh and sent by post.
My lord, one thing, my lord. Annex kindly see annexure R3, that is the report by the High Commission of Bangladesh, and that will completely expose the university. Kindly see that one.
My lord,
And kindly, please, why you are my lord telling? When I am showing some document, official document, and kindly come to R5.
Chakravarti, if you keep on harping upon university officer, etc., it slightly gives an indication that
Yes, I got you. Yes.
that the petitioner is being used.
the petitioner herself appeared.
Wait, sir. The petitioner, somebody else is firing off her.
My lord, I got you. So that is
And
why.
your target is?
No, my lord. No, my lord. Kindly come to annexure 3.
May I, my
Exactly.
lord, suggest a solution? May I, my lord, suggest a solution? Because instead of fighting this out, Mr. Chakraborty is interested in the academic career of the girl. My lord, I
You
had
are
in
interested
I
to-
know
you-
I am
rape and accused, rape accused.
we have a talk because law regarding the rape and other things, the criminal law will proceed. I had a talk with the registrar, my lord, this morning. Let the girl appear in the examination online. Let she
No, my lord,
complete her
my lord, just-
examinations.
My
Let
lord,
she
unless a
complete.
victim is come as a witness, how a rape accused be?
This court, my lord, is not going to
my lord.
punish
The purpose
even
is
the
to help
rapist
it.
proof.
My lord, one thing, my lord, one thing. First of all, my lord, a rape accused, they have shelter, annexure R5. University, their justice, single judge did not grant any relief. This petition was dismissed. This petition was dismissed. The girl wrote a letter petition to the Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court long back. Perhaps, my lord, if inquired from the registry, my lord will come to know. Before this labor, before this petition, a girl wrote a letter petition to the Chief Justice High Court at Calcutta that I have been raped, and university official is shielding the rape accused. The record says yes, they are shielding.
No, nobody is preventing the police from taking action. There is no order. They can investigate, arrest him, do everything.
Hey,
So far as I
police
see-
submitted charge sheet. Well, that is police submitted charge sheet
Therefore-
by which that she could not come. That is game is there.
So, there-
Police submitted charge sheet. My lord, then police, my lord, police submit.
all right, later affidavit come, we'll. Yes,
Well, but that is good. Let the victim girl file an affidavit, and that will clear entire picture.
notice,
O-
registry.
Only one.
That will unmask everyone.
Okay.
I was quite-
Because my lord, why? Because the lady, before expiry of the visa, she was guided by the police to cross the border. She crossed the border, went to Bangladesh. They knowing fully well the rape case has been added, charge sheet has been filed, and then the bona fide certificate, they say political. Subsequent, my lord, a couple of months back, bona fide certificate sent to Bangladesh showing no political activity. I placed this court. So, my lord, that will be fine if the because the third semester, fourth semester is there. But within a period,
May I make,
after filing, after
I make-
police file, after police file charge sheet of
May
a
I
rape
make one
allegation,
question?
how court could interfere in investigation and charge sheet? How High Court can interfere? My lord, they can manage the labor department.
I have not said a word for so long. May I get a copy of the supplementary affidavit? So everything that is being discussed, none of which I know.
Petitioner shall furnish a copy of the supplementary affidavit to the learned advocate appearing for the state. Yes, Mr. Bhatt.
My lord, can I give a short date? Otherwise,
You'll give.
This bench is going to continue because the B.Ed university matter is there.
It will be there.